Hi guys, this is a quick Temu video. So in this one here, this is the glow-in-the-dark tape that you see me put on some of my sheaths in the videos and stuff. It works really well. Also good for marking in the house, like where your door handle is in the middle of the night or something like that. I use that for multi-use stuff. This bag here, I did do a whole video just for this bag, so check out that video if you want, or I'll briefly go through it. We'll see how much time we have. I bought this little first aid kit. It's one of those rip-off ones, so for emergencies. Zips are pretty good, goes all around, opens up. You have some elastic here, here, in the pocket here. That's pretty basic, that's all it is. And then, I didn't know they did this, but Temu does custom stuff. So the white is not as white as I would like, but it's pretty cheap. I think it was £4 for 50, which is pretty cheap. I got these rat traps, which are really strong. I'll do a video about setting them up separately, but they look well made and quite strong. The last bit I want to show you is this one here. It's a banner. I'll show you now. Look at the size of this. This is nearly my whole arm's width. It's quite a big size. £6 just for this. So I think that's a really good buy. And actually, the quality is pretty good. They did just go on by my logo. So, I mean, it took, I think, an extra day. But, yeah, really happy with this. It's bigger than I thought it was going to be, but it's good for the car. Say going to a trip, like maybe Bushcraft show or something. You want people to find you. But, yeah, I'm really happy with this one. So this bag, I'll go through the bag itself and not everything that's attached to it, because I've already done a video on that. You got a very large front zip here, which runs all the way across. And it does have 2 zips. Zips on top are really smooth. You have a long zip across here, again, which you can fill up with loads of goodies. It has 2 pockets on this side. On the opposite side, again, you have another long zip here. You have some nice pouches here where you can strap these things into. Some webbing in the middle, which I just put some scissors and a marker. And then another pocket here, again with that little strap on top. And a little bit of space in the middle here where you can put some other goodies. So you can fill the bag up. I'm not going to overload it because it's not what it's for. I want it to be light and just have some simple stuff with me. It does have a mesh back and a little mesh bit here for your back. And the straps seem fine. I just put some strappy things on there so there's no loose straps. That's the thing on the bag. Very nice. So yeah, surprisingly, the Temu promo stuff, that worked out really well, and it's also really cheap compared to other places. I mean, that banner for £6, that would have cost me 40 easy over here. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. Let me know what you think about the other items I put in there. I'm expecting another delivery soon in Temu, and I'll do another video on that when it comes in. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.